MSR PocketRocket 2 ultralight fast boiling stove. This is your camping stoves you can pick up, hiking stoves, and just out hiking around and you feel like a cup of coffee or tea or heating up a trail package of food. These are good and handy to have on you in your pack. Have you a breakfast or lunch. And they say that you can boil water 1 liter in 3 minutes or so. I've seen some reviews were around 2 minutes for, I'm not sure if it was a cup of water or 2 cups. But I've got a cup, I think it's about 14 ounces or so, but we're gonna fire up, see how well it does. So fast boiling, 25% faster to boil 1 liter than the competitors' leading system stoves. Sturdy, strong pot supports accommodate a wide range of pots. Flame control, boil to simmer, heat adjustment. You get a stove, a carrying case, and some instructions. International instructions. Ooh la la. Several different languages, I bet. Oh, here's a bunch of languages. Holy crap, there's no way I could read that. Let's use the camera. There we go. Hazardous to attempt to fit another type of gas containers. Warning, use outdoors only. Yeah. We're gonna fire this puppy up indoors. Guess they don't want you firing it up inside a tent and causing yourself to asphyxiate. That's probably what it is. We're in a house, it ain't gonna hurt us. And here we got a can of the fuel. This is the MSR brand. These are about $5-6 depending on where you get it. 8 ounces. What is this? Okay, this will tell you how to check to see how much fuel you'll have left in it. Probably using a pot of water or something, and depending on where it floats, how high it floats, the buoyancy, is how full it is. There's a little trick to these things. They usually frost over when you're using them. That feels real cold. And it'll build up frost, and that frost line tells you how much fuel you'll have left below it. So it's a real simple way of doing it too. If you've used torches or anything for like soldering copper or whatever in the plumbing, you'll know what I mean by the bottle frosting up. So let me get a drink. Oh, these are delicious. Vodka, Sprite, cucumber. It's real refreshing. Oh, that's good. So we're going to do an unboxing and we're going to fire it up. So let's get it opened up here. Put it out of the way. Here's our little carrying case. Simple plastic case, no big deal. MSR logo. Let's get this thing out of here. PocketRocket stove. Removal of this marking will avoid compliance of this stove. Oh no, we're out of compliance. I removed it. Whatever. Alright. The stove. Oh, sweet. Folds right up. So it'll fold it right up, fit it right inside this little box. Nice. I like how that lever just, oh look at that. It just drops right in. Beautiful. Boy. It weighs almost as much as that box. That is light. I like how that folds up there. Spring loaded. Fold right up out of the way. I like that. Instruction. Yeah, it's wrapped up in plastic. I ain't jacking with that. We don't need those. Alright, let's unwind this thing. Flip that up. Flip that around. Oh, nice. Flip that around. Oh, that was simple. And those are nice. They're sturdy. It's not cheap metal. It's pretty strong. Yeah, there's hardly any flex in that. It's built real nice. Hex head. Real smooth. Yeah. And those are riveted on. Pretty decent construction. Oh, this thing is light. Wow. 2 ounces. What was it, 2.6 or something? What the hell is that at? 2.6 ounces, yeah. God. Don't weigh nothing. Wow. Nice logo there. MSR. These are beautiful for hiking out and just heating you up some water. Boil in some water if you want to kill germs or something in some nice spring water. I still suggest using one of those filter systems first too, though. Yeah, I like that. That's beautiful. Let's flip this out. Let's put it on the bottle. I do it kind of fast there. You get a little bleed out when you screw it on. I bet it's worse when you take it off. So you have to unscrew it real fast. You're gonna get cold hands. A little spew. I bet it does. Yep. So you gotta go fast with it when you unscrew it. So you don't get cold hands. That fits on there real nice. nice. I like these cans. They're got big bases on them. You don't have to worry about them tipping over unless you're on some really unlevel ground. Oh, yeah, I like that. Let's move that out of the way. Do another drink. Oh, those are delicious. Cucumbers, Sprite, and a splash of vodka. Oh, that's delicious. All right. I like the valve, real smooth. Yeah. Thing with these is more like a excuse me, probably a more like a regulator, just like on torch bottles for plumbing, soldering copper. You don't want to tighten these too much when you shut them off. You just turn it until the flame goes out. Don't go any further, because you'll damage the insides in here. And I don't know if it's possibly like a needle valve or something, but you damage it and then you can't get it to shut the fuel off all the way. So that's a big common mistake with the torch bottles, is people want to try to crank down that regulator that's on top of it, and then after a while they're wondering, oh, how come my torch doesn't shut off all the way? Well, don't freaking Arnold that valve on top and you won't damage it. So I'm sure this is the same way. So just give it a little turn real easy till your flame goes out. Pretty sure that works the same way in the other fuel system. So let's fire this thing up, see what kind of flame we get out of this thing. Oh wow. Oh. Maybe that's why they call it a pocket rocket. It's not like a little rocket. It kind of looks like a little rocket. Let's get a little side view of that. Wow. Oh, 6-inch of flame there. Alright, let's turn her down. It's starting to glow nice and red. Let's put this little pot of water on here. Oh, that sits on there real nice. Like that. Alright, so I got a timer on this video here. It's at 13:44. Let's see. Turn it up a little bit. See how fast it boils this water. Boy, holy cow. We got bubbles already. Wow. Look at that. Already got bubbles going. That is badass. Get it down here so you guys can see underneath this flame. Nice. At 14, 15, so started at 13:44, at 15, We have got movement, not quite a boil yet. Like I said, I think this is about 14 ounces of water. So, almost 2 cups. Yeah, 2 cups. Wow. We'll bring it to a rolling boil and check the timer. We're at 2 minutes now. 15:44. This thing is getting it. That's incredible. Oh, I can go higher. Wow, I didn't even have it all the way up. I don't know if I want to go all the way up. Get flame going around it. Man, look at it go. And we got a rolling boil. 3 minutes. Holy crap. That was quick. I don't think I can get water to boil that fast on the stove. Wow. Well, there you have it, guys. I like how that sits on there real nice. 3 minutes, 14 ounces of water. I didn't even have it all the way up either. Like I said, you just turn it till the flame goes out. Don't try to put no Arnold on that valve, and it'll last you a long time. I bet. So, well, it's a great stove. This is my little workbench, so I'm just going to set this hot cup on it. It shouldn't hurt anything. It's got an epoxy coating on it. Well, there you have it, guys. Yeah, it didn't build up any frost. That's cool. Bet it does outside if it's cold outside. I bet it will real quick. So, I heard you can get about 20 boils out of one of these bottles. I don't know if that's true or not, but I'm sure there's plenty of videos out there where they do a count. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video and looking at buying one so you can go run around hiking, camping, whatever you guys enjoy doing. That's not even hot. It's a little warm, but it's not hot. I mean, it don't burn. But that thing's hot too. Well, thanks for watching.